What's going on, everybody? It's Nate Matthews back again with another holiday inspired video. And I don't know about y'all, but one of my favorite Christmas movies is Home Alone. Or maybe not the whole series, but 1, 2, maybe we could throw 3 in there. And then the rest of them, I don't know. Matter of fact, I haven't even watched the newest one yet. If you guys have watched the newest one, drop a comment below. Let me know if it's worthy to check out, because the reviews didn't look so good. But this hoodie's about to look good though. Check this out. First thing we did is use this hooping station right here that we got from John Deere's Embroidery Legacy. If you missed that video, click the card that pops up. Shout out to John Deere and the family over there. We got this bad boy hooped up on our 11 by 13 inch magnetic mighty hoop. Stabilized, very flat. This is the design that we're going to be stitching out today. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Haha. Classic line, right? And this is the mock-up of what it's gonna look like. We've got our standard colors, Christmas colors. Went ahead and added 2 more to the roster. We got the blue and we got the orange. Let's get it going, baby. NeverDenyMe.com. I like the little pattern up there. Nice fancy font. If y'all like what you see, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching. Look how fast it is, guys. Very quick underlay. We're going to cover it up with a satin. Don't get me wrong though, guys. The SC 1900 is still right there. I'm still not selling it. It worked, but it just don't go as fast as this bad boy right here. If y'all looking for one, use my link in the description. Pick one up. Regardless of whichever machine you get, use my link. It'll help me out. Let me know what designs you guys want to see next. Go to the website, NeverDenyMe.com, to shop with me. And let's see what magic we come up with. So far so good, guys. Look how clean it's coming out. Very, very clean stitches. Nice text effect. And now we're doing the overlay of Christmas right on top of the Merry. Now if you're still watching, I assume you like what you see. So let me know you like it by actually liking the video, dropping a comment below, and sharing the video. Thank you. And subscribe to my channel too. Now we're just doing the outline of the house. The famous house from Home Alone. We started it right over there. I was kind of hesitant to think that the line might be too thin, but it's definitely noticeable, even from a distance. I think we just got to put the Christmas lights on there, making them look like they're just thrown on there, kind of unorganized. All I did was draw a squiggly line, and now we're going to cover that up with our colors. Got all the Christmas lights set. Now we're just putting the green toppers on them. Something slight. If you guys see my other Christmas designs, you gotta let me know in the comments below which one is your guys' favorite. And not only which is your current favorite, but which one should I make your next favorite? Give me some ideas in the comments below. We're all done with the Home Alone inspired Christmas sweater. Let's go ahead and pop it off and see how it looks. Alright guys, this is how it looks. I'm very satisfied with it. Well, I guess I can't say fully satisfied until I take it off of the hoop and make sure everything is aligned. But just the details, the way that I made that green kind of like transparent a little bit, the font choice that I used right here, just everything, the colors and just the inspiration behind it. I love it, man. This is one of my favorite movies again, Home Alone. Now all we gotta do is go ahead and cut the stabilizer out the back. If you guys like what you see though, if you guys want to purchase this, again, go to the website. If you see it on the website, that means it's for sale. If you don't see it right now, you're gonna have to catch it later because it might be a little too late to do the shipping and stuff right now. But if you guys see it right now, you'll be the first one to have it for next year though. Go to the website, neverdenieme.com. Y'all know me being a low-key perfectionist. I had to take my time and cut it out the back. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. And if y'all think the same thing, thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.